Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Realme C31. First of all, you need to open Play Store on both devices and download free app called Send Anywhere. I already did that over here because it was taking forever to download, so I can open it right away. Choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. And now, following that, you need to select Send on an Android and Receive on Realme. Then tap on all of those dots on an Android smartphone and choose Send. This way you'll select all of those and transfer them later on. It will take a while, so I will go with only one photo, just for example, choose Send and click on Got It. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. Over here you need to select No Thanks and close this window, and then you can scan QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on Realme, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing your camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here, we have a lot of time, and select Receive. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my image was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!